We're back. And we're gonna play around.
So I got trouble we can get into tonight.
Cue the intro and we'll get to it. Open the gates. Let white buffalo enter. Close the gates. I think I have to clean my lenses.
I did a bunch of mopping in here. I think it's right.
Huh.
Dry it up. Yeah.
I have not seen the boat yet. I have seen the videos, but I wasn't here to actually help with this. Looks nice.
Yeah. No, it's all right. This thing's in the way. I'm gonna need help. It needs to go over there and see those other ladders.
Alright, we'll put the camera down. We'll pack the ladder away. We'll get the F-250 ready. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. Well, it's a pretty big ladder, so where the ladders usually go here, it didn't really fit. So we are doing things the usual way. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
All right.
OSHA approved. In case you were wondering, that's definitely OSHA approved. You just wanna rest your ladder. That's too tall
Let's
for the
see.
garage. Got a bunch of miscellaneous stuff.
While he is filming on the inside, let us wait right here by the exhaust. Now that's what I call a nice cold start. Alright. Load this up in the F-250. I guess we're first putting the Tahoe White Buffalo in the garage. So we have some space here. Put the boat in the F-250. Take it away. And then we're gonna hopefully work on some stuff. Once we are back from dropping off the boat, what are we gonna be working on?
You know, it's a good question. I guess we're going to start by kind of assessing odds and ends on the engine stand. Maybe get the battery mounted on it. Possibly even shorten it up. It's something that I want to do. I don't know if I will do it.
I think we should put a radiator hookup and a bunch of those types of things on, so you can actually have a proper test bench. No?
Yeah, I just don't have a radiator for it yet.
Yes.
So I kind of want to build it around the template versus build it and then have to redo it to like accommodate it. So.
Did you end up buying that 6.0 last week, by the way?
No, I was so sick I didn't even go out there and get it. And I think the guy's pissed at me now. So.
Alright. Let's hope he still wants to sell it if he still has it.
Yeah, pretty much. All right, front or back? I'll tell you what we do. We got to bring this outside, flip it over, and then put the ass end in first. So
I'll take the front. You can climb through hoops. My leg is not really cooperating today, so I'll take the.
Your leg?
I'll take the front. Yeah.
Okay. Just go slow then.
All right. You got a new tripod?
Yeah, it's been here forever.
Oh. All right, let's set this up. Time lapse. We're in Mexico right now, right?
Yeah, don't let the federales know we're here. That'll really mess up our plans tonight.
Need help?
In many ways, yes.
She ain't going anywhere. All right. Let's drop it off. I'll see you soon. All right, and we're back. For you, a couple seconds. For us, half an hour, 45 minutes? Just about. Bit of movie magic. Don't have to film everything.
What did I do with the keys that I locked in the truck?
It was at this moment he knew. He
Are we locked out?
No, not locked out. It was the shop.
Well, if you have a coat hanger and a little airbag, I can break in.
Another time. Well, actually, one time like this.
We lost the keys. Don't ask me what keys. I have no clue. But we lost the keys. So, a few minutes ago we had some movie magic. Now we are having some movie drama.
Yeah, right?
Alright, retrace our steps. Go to the gas station we were just by. Whoop. Oh. Let's see if the keys are over there. Go back to where we dropped off the boat. See if the keys are over there. I know what. Worst case scenario, we have some extra movie drama.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna be out several dollars for these.
Alright, let's get to it. We'll see when we're back at the shop, or if we find the keys.
Those should be copies there.
We're back at the shop. It's at this point 2.5 hours later.
Yeah.
We made every stop we did before, went everywhere. And then we realized, started the truck, we went into the shop. We were here for a while after the truck was started. So the key actually might be somewhere in here. Question is it here? And where would it be? So again, 2.5 hours later, we haven't done anything really yet besides removing the bolt. And yeah, let's look for the keys.
Right, the sequence was I started the truck, you opened that door and pulled the car in. I walked in, it stopped you. Then I'm like, alright, cool. At that point,
You were over here, I filmed something here asking what we were gonna do. So you were standing here something for a minute. Alright. Defeated.
I wouldn't say we're defeated yet. We're gonna try one more time. If you want, yeah. I feel bad. Usually I'm able to provide some sort of entertainment with a not being part of this.
No content today. That's
Is a freaked out Isaac.
yeah. Alright. I probably have about 5 minutes of footage. Basically us going back and forth. And yeah, we're gonna do a slow drive back home. See if we can spot it. Maybe the keys were left on the truck while we're driving. I don't know. I guess we're gonna find out. But I kind of have a feeling we're not gonna be working on anything today. Shame. A lot of wasted time. But you know, it is what it is. Sometimes you do what you gotta do. And we'll be back here Saturday night. There's not much else we can do about it. Unless we find the keys fairly soon. On the road somewhere. And come back right away. But, no, just shut off the lights in the shop. And lock the doors, so chance is small. This is where we dropped off the boat. Hold on. Isaac, you want to show me something?
Washa. This is the night of the missing keys. I'm going to go into a monologue here, if that's all right. Bear with me. I lost my keys before I left the house tonight. That's okay. The lights are going to flicker a little bit.
All right.
So, or is it really that bad? I could technically
It's
just
fine.
turn them off, but it adds to the ambiance. So I lost my keys before I even left the house. I took my wife's keys. I got all mad about it. Got in the car with a spare set of keys, the shop keys. And, okay, cooled off. We went to the shop, put the boat in the truck, loaded it up, and I dropped the keys here outside of house. We were here. We looked at it, but with our cell phone lights, not with a proper flashlight, because I was too stupid to pull one out at the time. So we went back to the shop, stopped at the gas station, and then just did a slow drive from the shop back to Beaver Hill. I don't know, 15 minutes, 20-minute drive. Only to find the keys sitting right where they should have been expected to have fallen out, right outside our first destination where the boat now is. So I'm pretty excited that I found the keys.
I think it's a sign we should go back to the shop.
Saying it's a sign. Mission complete. Mission complete. That's what it is. So I was asking my good sir here if we should take these signs. I lost a set of keys. Got all upset about it. Took a sec. You know, I still had keys, and then I lost two sets of keys technically because it's two different vehicles. Lost those keys. We just completed that mission and got those keys, so we're kind of like back in it. But yeah, a brief discussion of like, what do you think karmically? You know, karma. What do you think? Is this a sign from God that we should not be at the shop right now? Because he keeps dragging us back to this neighborhood.
Well, I think we should go back because we found the keys.
We're gonna do one thing before we head back.
If we didn't find the keys,
We're gonna stop by my house. We're not going in my house. We're gonna drive by my house.
done this already tonight. But yeah, we're back. We're back and ready to work. So keys are found. It's not Saturday night. It's still Thursday night. We can continue filming. So much fun. Oh, the things you do. Let's wait till he gets out of the car. Any day now. Alright, now that we're back.
I just got great news.
Uh-oh.
No, like the legitimately good news. Oh, this isn't for YouTube, but I can tell you about it.
When we first left, it was around 8:30, 9 o'clock-ish. Right now, it is... Come on, watch. Yeah. We're almost 3.5 hours later. And we still didn't do jack.
No, we got the boat out of here. We got the boat out of here.
We moved the ladder. We got the boat out of here. Yeah.
Boat's out of here. I put 3/4 of a tank in the front tank of the top of the F-250, so it's got gas now. And we didn't lose the keys, so we're in good shape. We're in good shape to put those fucking keys back
I think
now, huh?
I think we have to do something to get us back in the mood.
Huff some gasoline. See if we can replicate starting this bird. All right.
Yeah. All right. Let's do this. Just to lift the spirits a little bit here. Wake ourselves up. We're gonna, yeah. Just a quick second. Just gotta see this. Also, I want to see if that one over there.
No. Yeah, it's got 2 dead holes on that side, doesn't it?
Also one on the other side.
No. I saw all 4 firing. One was slightly intermittent, but
This one was not really firing. Oh wait, there's smoke coming out. So
yeah,
that's good.
no. I saw all 4 splitting flames, but I basically stuck my finger inside of that one and it didn't burn me. So that was just moving air, and so is that hole. So
Nice.
this is gonna get torn apart. This isn't throw it into a car and run it engine, although it does run pretty nicely. It's not a throw it in a car and run it engine.
But it runs surprisingly smooth for running on 6 cylinders.
Yes. What needs to happen is exhaust, radiator, fumes outside, let it run long enough to start to diagnose to see. I mean, maybe we have a bad the injector harness isn't for those two.
Did we check the spark plugs after we ran them?
No, they were used already, so I'm not sure. But those are 2 dead holes. We could probably check the wires, see if they're getting spark on it, and then check to see if those 2 injectors are not clogged and not. But we shouldn't run it for too long with dry holes because you will kill the rings on it. All right, well, whew, that was exciting. Let's get some fresh air for a second. Oh, fuck.
More fuel spillage?
Yeah, like a fine mist.
Because if there is a explosion
Of fuel-tasticness. All right, well, we're dismantling this so we can start to work on it. And in the process of dismantling, we forgot to depressurize the fuel system. And, well, is it going to spray everywhere? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's just 50 psi. That mystified. A fine mist. A fine mist of gasoline.
I don't think I'll be smoking anything.
Yeah, we gotta let this place air out again. We're gonna pull that shit. Let's not knock any gasoline over. We'll be all right. that right there.
Are we gonna do on top or on bottom?
No, we're gonna, I don't know. First, this weld right here needs to be finished. So that's welded on that side, although only on one side. I'd like to weld more of it. For right now, that's fine. So I'm just gonna heat it up a little bit with the metal brush and weld that together for me, my good sir.
The laptop stand, honestly, we need two pieces of metal going straight up. Grinded,
one and then
both grinded at a slant, and then basically put a piece of metal, weld a piece of metal on it with a little lip on the bottom
to keep the laptop.
to keep the yeah. Maybe build in some what's it called? Some cable management holes, so wires can go straight down.
Yeah, and then we got to mount the OBD port to it because I think that's where that's supposed to live, is attached to that computer.
So basically, if we're here Saturday night with this, within the same video, we'll cut right through to it. If not, see you next time.
Yeah.
Bam, 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 bam.